Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Thank you so much, Burlington, for sponsoring today's video. I wanted to take you guys shopping for some last minute gift ideas for anyone in your life that you love. Sometimes, you think like, oh, what do I get for this person? I feel like Burlington is the place to shop, you guys, because they have amazing deals and brands so good I can't even tell you on this video, but definitely check them out. And I wanted to bring you guys along with me shopping and just they were so perfect. Like anything that's these tones, I'm gonna love. Look how beautiful this eyeshadow color story is. Like so pretty, all these pinks, and then it has these glitters, and then this was only $5.99. So like honestly, this is perfect. Let's do a little swatch. This color is the one that's calling my name, like this rosy dusty color. It's so pretty. Down here it's like a blush color. I'm gonna start with that and just put it all over my lids as a wash of color. But look how pretty this color is. It's like a really pretty soft pink brown color. And I'm just gonna wash it all over the lid. We want to blow out this eyeshadow. So pretty, you guys. It's like a really soft brown. So this palette has really good pigment, and I'm a little surprised and I'm happy about it that I have that color. I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is like a little, and I'm gonna add that to the outer crease here. And then just kind of like, we're just deepening that crease basically. You can see already, like, it already looks deeper here. And then I'm also going to try taking the brush and like flicking it out like that. Coming in over here. And just going on top of everything that we had already blended. Like you can already see how much deeper this eye is compared to this one. Deepen it up just a little bit more, and since that is the deepest shade in the palette, I want to control that by packing it on. So I got a different brush that is a little bit more tightly packed, and that's going to help us make it a little darker. And this time I want to take it all over the lid too. Back with that fluffy brush without any more color on it, and then we're just gonna blend the outer parts of this eyeshadow look. So for the lid, you guys, I seriously cannot choose a shimmer. Like they have such pretty colors. Like they have this looks like a taupe color. It just looks so gorgeous. And then these pinks, like seriously, they're all so beautiful. And then you have like the typical gold color, but I want to go with something pink. I feel like it will make the shirt pop, so I think I'm gonna go with this color here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so soft. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Do you see that? Yeah, do y'all see that? Yeah, this is exactly giving me the vibes I envisioned when I saw this palette. So pretty. And then I like to blend it up with my finger, just going a little bit above my crease so it kind of like blends in together. Try to put my mirror down so you can see. Now you guys, I want to see what happens if I was to use the eyeshadow wet. So I'm going to use this coconut mist that came in the gifting, and I'm going to apply it to the wet brush. This palette does have glitter right here. I want to try a little bit of the glitter. What I like to do is put it on a brush and basically just like stamp it on. So I'm gonna get the glitter. So you can see it picks up a little bit, not too much, which is what we want. Can you see that? Just a little bit on the brush. And then we're just gonna apply it right, like basically all over. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this eye look by doing some eyeliner at the top, putting on some lashes, and then I'll do the waterline with you guys in a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. Lash line, I'm going to go in with that deep color here with that maroon color or little dusty rose color, and I'm going to go with a really small shader brush and go as close to my lash line as possible. To my lower lashes. Okay, perfect. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add blush because I don't have any blush on right now. I want to use this really cute peachy blush I saw at Burlington. I thought it was so cute. I love peach colored blushes. Go ahead and use this really pretty peach blush. Cute. I found this really pretty eyeshadow palette and I just think it looks so cute, and this blush is just giving me life. I love everything that I found at my local Burlington, and I really encourage you guys to check out your local Burlington for some amazing deals. And also, like, honestly, I cannot believe the brands, you guys. I'm gonna just hold this up to tease you. I cannot believe the brands that I found at Burlington and while I was in their makeup section. Like, I knew that they have like really good quality stuff. Like for my hair, I found this really good this really nice big name brand there dry shampoo, and I used it this morning before I got ready, and seriously, it was like half the price. And that's what I was looking at. They had a lot of these like holiday gift sets, which is what I am using today that I got ready with. They had this really awesome hydrating like coconut spray that I found in that gift set, and the gift sets had prices on them for like $20, $30, and then you turn it around and then it has like the Burlington price of like only $9. Like, I got such a huge steal on some of these items, you guys. So definitely check out Burlington if you need to buy some gifts, if you need, especially for these holidays coming up, birthdays. Like, seriously, they have everything that you need, from electronics, clothes, toys. I got Kai so many toys, you guys. I will insert a clip here of what we got him. He was so excited. And I also got him some new books, and I got me I think that video in my last video where I showed you guys the jacket, I got myself this really nice blue leather jacket. Like seriously, it's like a jacket of my dreams with a little hoodie. Like it was just perfect for me. So thank you so much, Burlington. Seriously, it means so much to me for working with me and letting me be creative and have fun, and this awesome makeup look that I did with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and go ahead and leave me a comment down below telling me your favorite finds at your local Burlington. I was very surprised with the eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna lie, because I've never tried like eyeshadow palettes from like Burlington or anything like that. Offer good quality items for a really good price. Again, this was only $5.99. Like seriously, this would be a perfect gift to someone you love. So definitely check it out. Thank you again, Burlington, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look and getting ready with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.